Welcome to our daily Bitcoin update, where we share our market perspectives and strategies. Please note, our content is not investment advice or educational. It is intended for entertainment purposes only. We are a small team of investment professionals with over 35 years of combined experience in traditional finance. Our careers span roles as traders, market makers, and portfolio managers at top-tier banking and money management institutions. We use a proprietary methodology that combines qualitative and quantitative factors drawn from traditional finance, technical analysis, liquidity, volatility, market making, and trading algorithm concepts. If you suffer from analysis paralysis and prefer short-format market perspectives with rationale for trade setups from our proprietary methodology, stay tuned and enjoy. Bitcoin indeed consolidated in a tight range into month end. Overnight, there were signs of absorption and accumulation in the New York evening session, continuing into the Asian session open. This was confirmed by price recovering from 63,000 to 64,000 into the London session. Price imbalances from Bitcoin's recent descent from 65,000 to 63,000 may help price gravitate towards 65,000 to mitigate this imbalance and tap liquidity. To the downside, it is highly likely that Bitcoin will at least wick through 62,500 over the course of the week to take out equal lows where liquidity resides. In the absence of a catalyst, we see corrective market structure and local liquidity characteristics perpetuating range-bound price action between 62,000 and 65,000 in the coming trading sessions. Looking at the market backdrop for the new month, sentiment has slipped overnight from greed back to neutral, which was expected given the weak price action into the weekly open. However, there are signs of optimism. ETF flows remain supportive, with 8 successive sessions of net inflows. Futures open interest and exchange volumes are increasing, which is highly correlated with Bitcoin price. Expectations for October are biased upward, with the month typically delivering around plus 20% returns for Bitcoin, especially in election years. Market chatter is already romanticizing the scenario of an Uptober. However, historical statistics can lead to bias from spurious correlations. For example, September is typically a negative month for Bitcoin, but this year it delivered its best September ever, returning around plus 9%. Volatility markets provide a more objective measure of expectations. Calls outperform puts, with the call put skew up by as much as 2% overnight across 1 week to 2-month expiries, confirming increasing market optimism. Our methodology, combining forward-looking qualitative and quantitative inputs, sees the stars aligning for constructive price action in the near term. The stars aligning refers to multiple price-driving variables converging, providing support for rising valuations. For example, FTX's $16 billion USD payouts to creditors begin today. As our model places a high emphasis on liquidity conditions, we expect this to be supportive of valuations as the month progresses. Looking ahead, the focus will be on upcoming US economic data, particularly the jobs report on Friday. Fed Chairman Powell's recent comments raised concerns about a potential recession, making this data more impactful. Bitcoin, being highly correlated to risk assets, remains dependent on liquidity conditions stemming from monetary policy. We expect corrective or range-bound price action to persist until Friday, with volatility likely increasing as the week progresses. At present, we maintain a neutral directional bias and prefer a reactionary stance, poised to initiate setups at levels where multiple confluences provide a high probability payoff. With market structure remaining bullish over longer intervals, we prefer to wait for long setups rather than initiate tactical shorts. This week, we may stay on the sidelines, avoiding low R-factor setups to prevent being stopped out by unpredictable price action. As always, do your own research and analysis. Be safe and good luck in trading.